Hi everyone, in this video we are going to be making fish shawarma. This is my style. Okay, here I'm trying to grease the pan. All right, after greasing the pan I had to place the fish um on the pan to bake it. Right, so I seasoned the fish. I used cayenne pepper. I added seasoning. I added ginger powder. I added garlic. I added salt. Okay, that's to season the fish. All right, and then I had to, grease it with some oil. Okay, before placing it in the oven. This fish tasted heavenly. Okay, I used mullet. I hope that's the right pronunciation. Mullet. Okay, so here are the ingredients that we'll be using for the shawarma recipe, fish shawarma recipe. Okay, so we'll be needing avocado is going to be a cream or the shawarma sauce. Okay, we'll be needing carrots, fresh tomatoes for the fish sauce. We'll be needing cabbage, and then the shawarma bread. As you can see, I'm trying to slice the cabbage. I grated the carrots, slice the tomatoes, then onions, for the fish sauce. Yes. yes. So after slicing the onions, the cabbage and the tomatoes, I went ahead to blend my cucumber. Okay, I made juice with it, so I used 1.5 cucumber, then I added water to it, then I blended. After blending, I sieved it. After sieving, I had to place it in the fridge to chill while I carry on with other things. Okay, so you know how it is, you just go ahead and wash your cucumber and blend. You blend, you sieve, and then you put in your fridge to chill while you do other things. So for the shawarma sauce, you have to take out your avocado flesh. Okay, after taking it out, I added cayenne pepper to it. All right, I added cayenne pepper. You can see, you just open the avocado, take out the seed and that stuff. I'm taking it out. So you take it out and then you bring out all the flesh, then you mash it, okay, to form a puree. All right, then I added cayenne pepper to it. Then you can see our fish is out of the oven. This fish tasted so well. So here is the sauce for the fish. Okay, I just added crayfish, added pepper, little seasoning, little salt, and then I added the fish to the sauce. This tasted heavenly. I loved every bit of it. So you mix, make sure you mix it well, and then you just allow it to stay a few seconds on the oven, sorry, on the burner, and then you bring it down. Okay, you bring it down, then that's it. So here I'm trying to you know cream the bread. Okay, this is the shawarma bread, so I'm trying to cream it. Just do it like this. Is avocado. The avocado will open, remember. Now I'm trying to mix everything together. The cream is down there, which is the avocado, and then we'll have a cabbage and then a carrot. Okay, you add everything together just like I'm doing here, and then you mix, and your shawarma sauce is ready. So just go ahead and mix like I'm doing here. Okay, all right, so you add the fish. You add the fish sauce you made, you add it into your bowl, and then just mix everything together, like I said earlier. And then you wrap it up. After wrapping it up, you place in your oven, allow it to heat up a little. Okay, you allow it to heat up, and then your shawarma is ready to be consumed. Okay, I just hope you all will be trying this. Please do well to subscribe to my channel to get more and interesting recipes like this. Have you ever tried fish shawarma? If you have never tried, this is actually a sign for you to give it a try. You will love it. You will love every bit of it. So do well to subscribe to my channel, share this video, do well to save it as well. Of course, you will be needing it someday. If not this weekend, maybe next weekend. Alright, see you in my next video. Enjoy.